We would like to request Reverend Father Marcos Tinidero and Dr. Maria Cecilia G. Vicenzo.
A scepter is a symbol of power, authority, and sovereignty.
We would like to request Vice Mayor Catubig Central and Reverend Father Walter A. Silvino.
Sometimes they're also connected to divinity and a person's divine right to be a ruler of a nation.
We would like to request our municipal mayor, Honorable Solomon G. Vicenzo, and our pastor moderator, Reverend Father Angelito G. Sisisa, to do the honor.
As we are about to witness the crowning of our Miss Catubig 2024, Miss Rochelle Tagliasas. Ladies and gentlemen, this number has been sounded across.
Miss Rochelle and Fiesta. And now, this point in time, we would like to request the Catubig Valley National High School